So to show you the assembly of the fan, I'm just going to do a virtual assembly because this is very straightforward and very easy to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your printout of the cover of the fan, and whether you cut it out on Cricut, that's fine. You would already have the pieces cut out. I'm doing this as if you were going to be cutting it with scissors, but it would be the same assembly. So you would have the sheet with your printout on it of the fan, and then you need an additional sheet of white cardstock. This is what's going to reinforce the fan and give it the thickness of a fan. So what you would first do is you could either put both of these together, which is what I do. I put both the blank sheet and the fan sheet together, and then cut them out so that they're the exact copy of each other. And then you would get rid of this top sheet, so you would have this cut out, and then get rid of the back sheet, and you have that cut out. So you have your reinforcement sheet and you have your printed sheet. So now you would take your glue gun and you would just run some glue right up the middle of your fan where your stick is going to be. Then you take your stick, place it on top of that hot glue, press it in so that it could set. Next, you're going to take your glue gun and you could put some glue like right in this area and down the stick because it can cool off pretty fast. So you just want to put enough in there so that you can take your top piece, your printed piece, and put it into place perfectly over the white sheet, just like that. And then you can just fold up these or lift up the corners and the edges and put glue all around the edges between the blue sheet and the white sheet and the stick. And just like that, you will have a perfect graduation fan. I hope you enjoyed these brief tutorials on graduation fans. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.